I clicked on add activity, multiple choice, and then I typed in the question here. Now the question, I'll type how many planets are there in the solar system. Okay, and then I'll give the answers 8, 9, and then if I want to add further option, I click on add answer, and then I type, and then I need to select the right answer by clicking here. Just check this box. Just click on this box, there will be a green tick mark. So this is selected. Okay. Hope you're able to do this. So we clicked on add activity. You got two options, open-ended question and multiple choice question. So I selected multiple choice where I type the question and then I type the options and I need to click the right answer also. That is just this tick mark. Okay, once it is done, I need to click back to video. Back to video. So you will see that there is a circle, a blob, which comes in between the video. When you move the mouse pointer on that, it says, okay, there is a multiple choice question that has been added. So clear, right? Now, can we, do you think we can add multiple activities in the same video? Or is it like only one activity can be added?
So I think we can add multiple activities.
Multiple activities.
Yes. So anywhere you want, you can get the slider and then click on add activity. Then the same option comes up. You can select what type of question you want and then add it.
So if I upload my video from my library on the from the downloaded files, still I will be able to do this, or is it an only option with YouTube?
No, ma'am. Any video that you add, it could be yours, or it could be from YouTube, or it could be from Nearpod itself. Okay, we can add the same activities. Okay, so this is the first slide. So what we are doing now is we are trying to make the presentation interactive, right? So we will be by the end of the presentation, once we have created it, we will see how we can share this with our students, what are the different methods to do it, how we can implement the concept of flipped classroom using this as we move ahead. Okay?
So I have a question. Now this activity that we have added, how is the student going to attend that?
We'll come to that. That's what that presentation, how will you share it with the student, right? So that comes at the end. So first we will build the content and then we'll see what are the various methods through which we can share the content. Okay. Yeah. So the first slide. So basically it is a slide, but this slide contains video and we added that element of interaction for the students by adding questions. Okay. That activity. So let's start now. So the next slide, add new, come to interactive, right? The next option is web content. This is quite simple. So when I select web content and then click on add, what happens is I get a new slide where it is asking me to paste the link of a web page. Okay, so here not much of interaction, but what happens is if we can't paste a link in a regular PowerPoint presentation, right? So only when the person clicks on that link, that page will show up or that information will show up. Whereas here, when you paste the link here, when you present it, the whole page is shown in the slide itself. Okay, that's the difference. So let's try it out now. So how do you get a link? We open one more tab. Maybe I go to Wikipedia and directly I can search for solar system. So the Wikipedia page comes up. I will copy the link. I'll copy the link, come back here and paste it. Okay, and paste it. I'll explain this once again. I want a link of the web page which has got information on solar system. Okay. I click, I search for solar system. I got the option. This is the page which I want the students to read through. I copied this link, came back to my lesson and pasted it here. Okay. So if you have created, say, your own website using Google Sites, and then you have put in the Google Docs. Now say you want to share your own notes that you have prepared with your students. Say the document is in Google Docs, you have uploaded into the drive, and then you have created your own web page or website using Google Sites. You can get the link of that page and paste it here. Okay, so that the notes that you have created will be shown to the students. So do it. So we will move ahead. Now again, add new, interactive. BBC video is again a set of videos from BBC, mainly concentrating on the science and social studies, social science subject. Okay, and there also you can select the videos and add interactivity by clicking on the option like add activity. The same thing that we did in video, it is possible in BBC video also. Okay, the next three are really interesting. So let's try now what is this option.
1 minute. Sorry. So when you said that when we put a link of the browser, like the second option that we did right now, you said that we will be able to see the content on the slide itself. But
Right.
that is not happening. So it will be like in the last when we will.
No, here we are in the creation process, right, man? We have not
Okay.
come to the preview.
Okay.
Right? So in the preview, we will be able to see all that.
Okay, sir, got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. So we click on add new and then come to interactive. Now we will select Nearpod 3D. Okay. So select 3D and then click on add. So this is a repository of 3D models provided by Nearpod. Okay, it's not very exhaustive. It's not that we can get content for all the topics that we want. No. But this keeps getting updated by Nearpod. What I find interesting here is this, if you're a biology teacher explaining about various parts of the body, this is a wonderful tool for you. So let me just show you. Now say you are a biology teacher, you want to explain about this human body. So we will see the preview. Now for anything that the 3D models are there, you can click on the model which is there, click on preview Nearpod 3D. Okay, so this is how it comes up. So you can use the mouse, rotate it, you can zoom in. All these options are available to you. Okay. So this is how you can show your students a three-dimensional view. There is something for, I would say, history teachers also, right? Say you're explaining about Aztec temple or Taj Mahal, it is there. On the microscope option, you can see the animal cell. Okay. Now I'm going to select, because the content is related to solar system, I'll select Earth. Okay. I double click, I come to the preview option. So where I can show, okay, Earth is there, the moon, I can zoom in, I can rotate it, I can zoom into the moon also, just to show my students. Now, I think many of you know that something similar option is available in PowerPoint also, right? PowerPoint also has got 3D models, which you can directly insert into your PowerPoint slide. I think the latest versions, 2009, Office 365, 2019 option, or 2017 also, Office 2017 also has that option.
So they are created by Neopod only. Like there is no option that if I have an image, I can put it over here and then it goes into a 3D dimension. That is not there.
No, ma'am. The regular images cannot be made into 3D models. Okay, so if you want to create 3D models, I think 3D CAD, there is a software. So through that only we can do it.
Okay.
Okay. But Nearpod keeps updating this particular repository, like the library keeps growing.
Okay, no, because my question, like why I was asking this was like in economics, I have a lot of graphs. So these graphs are my handmade graphs,
Okay.
which I draw on the board or maybe on the paper. So there is no option that I can put these graphs in the library and then Neopod uses them. No, so.
No, ma'am. No. Okay, so we have added the Nearpod 3D. Now we go back. So my third slide is ready. Now we'll continue. We will go to the add new option and then the same interactive. Now simulations are there. Okay. So let's look at this. So when you click on simulation and then click on add, we are taken to PHET simulation. I'll explain this in a while. Now here we are able to see mathematics and science simulations only, but I'll give you another option through which you can explore and get various other simulations also. Now, how can we use it? Now, say you are a mathematics teacher who is just explaining the concept here about weights. So I can select one of the simulations, okay, and the students themselves can try it. So you can ask them, okay, try to balance it.
So where have you taken simulation?
I clicked on add new, interactive, PHET, ma'am. Okay, in that we need to select the particular simulation. So you will get math and science simulations based on the age group, like elementary, middle school, all that. You can just double click on any one of them and the simulation comes up. Okay, so once I place the weights, now you want to enable it, see how it works. Now you want to balance it, show the students how it works, and students themselves will be able to do all this. Okay, how we will look into it in a while. So here again, you want to teach them a little advanced concepts, maybe center of gravity, all that. You can use the same type of simulations. Okay, now as you're all doing this, I just want to introduce you to a website from the website which was linked to Nearpod, that is PHET. Okay, just search for PHET. I'll put it out. Okay, FET simulation. This is totally free. You get, in the Nearpod, it was just showing for mathematics and science. Here, there are a few more.
So can you tell something for economics?
I think statistics part, man, math and statistics.
No, not statistics.